Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and on my channel I do beauty related videos. For today's video I am doing this beautiful silver, I guess you can say cut crease wing. It's kind of hard to describe this, I don't know what it is. But if you like what you see, then just stay and watch. Alright, we're starting off using the Drawing Eyebrow Pencil, and this is from Etude House. What shade is this? I don't see it. It's probably medium brown. Okay, now we're taking my Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define. This is in the shade C2. Then we're going to be taking my P.louise base. I'm going to spread it with my concealer brush all over my lid. Then bringing it up towards the crease. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. blending sponge. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. blending sponge and I'm going to go ahead and just blend that into the eyes. Now we can go into our first color. I'm going to be taking the Moprhe X Jeffree Star, and I'm also going to be taking an Essence Smoky Brush. I'm going to go in with the black shade in here, which is called Fast Lane. And I'm just going to be tapping this on the outer corner. We're just gonna be making like a triangle V shade, but we're taking it over the crease. Then I'm bringing it in just a little. Then I'm taking this flat BH Cosmetics brush and we're gonna go into Custom Feels, which is this silver gray, or this gray shade. I don't know, I think it's more gray. As you can tell, I was trying to match this. This is what inspired me today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this. Oof. I'm taking this blending brush, which was a little too big for my under eye. I don't know why I picked it, but since I already picked it, used it, I'm gonna, like, you know, keep using it. This is the LA Studio E135. We're going to be going into the gray shade, which is called Vroom Vroom. It's a matte gray shade, and we're just taking that underneath. I'm taking this underneath just because I don't want to take black underneath. Gray is already too dark enough, but if I put black, I don't know. I might put black on later though, so just like that. And I'm gonna clean obviously the concealer and all that later, but I'm just making sure it's blended under my eye. And we're gonna take the same flat brush from BH. We're gonna go back into that silver gray shade and just tap that underneath. And so now that I have the base of where I'm gonna outline, I'm taking my LA Studio liquid liner and I'm gonna go ahead and outline this. I'm gonna be really focused, so I might get out of frame a couple times or majority of the time. I don't know, hopefully I don't, but if I do, I'm so sorry. This hair is getting filled with eyeliner. This hair right here, Jesus. Well, now my fingers have eyeliner. So much fun. So I'm gonna be right back, and I think I'm gonna do my face off camera for you guys. All right, guys, so I finally finished my makeup. This is the end result. It was definitely outfit inspired, not even outfit, but just this little bow thing. I was like, ew, that's so sparkly, and I'm like, let me do that on my eyes, and I did. So yeah, I hope you liked today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and also ring that notification bell. Bye, guys.